Hey everyone, Theme Park Tracker here with an update on some exciting things happening at Six Flags Magic Mountain since the last update. Starting off, as always, these past few updates, is the new restrooms at the front of the park. The walls have recently come down and now a barricade fence blocks it off, indicating that this will open soon. These new colors sort of resemble the new boardwalk area in the park, especially what Johnny Rockets was painted to. Can't wait for these to open as the ones that were previously here needed an upgrade. X2 has been running one train recently as the other undergoes refurbishment. There is no sign of the third train, which is most likely in the coaster repair shop, located in the backstage areas of the park. This train, sitting on the storage tracks, looks like it only has 5 of the 7 cars attached. Hopefully they get this train up soon because of the summer capacity nightmare that could ensue if they don't, and of course, let's hope they fix the audio. Heading up to Samurai Summit, it looks like the park left this trailer here in front of Soda Springs and forgot to remove it from the walkways before they opened. Vehicles don't normally travel on the midways once the park is open, so I'm pretty sure this will be moved once the park closes. Over by Big Belly Burger in front of Gold Rusher, the park added new, not Coke themed umbrellas to the switchback queues for the food. Not too long ago, they placed the shorter Coke umbrellas here that are used for the round tables in the area. I mentioned in the last update that they were way too short and taller people could easily hit their heads on them. These are a slight improvement being somewhat taller, but people can still brush their heads on the flaps on the sides. This is a welcome change in terms of park aesthetics, instead of having the normal branded umbrellas. Moving on to Wonder Woman, the bigger news this week is the lift hill has gone up. It's hard to see in this shot, but the location of the incline has been placed. This part will most likely stay the same until they get the rest of the structure up. This is an exciting development and again shows how fast we're moving on this thing. They still have plenty of supports sitting off to the side near the old tidal wave splashdown, and plenty left over in the overflow dirt parking lots. Next, an interesting development in front of the construction walls to DC Universe is the removal of the renderings for the new area and ride. Not sure why they did this, unless they plan on taking down the wall soon, or they did take them down recently to do work in front where the new arch will be, and the wall simply got in the way. The banners they placed probably got in the way of removing the red rectangular construction walls. Another possibility is they removed them because of the changes coming to the area, whether they be because of budget cuts and not including things that were promised, or they're changing the land layout. Something to keep an eye on for sure. Looking over the walls in front of the station, they are hard at work placing new supports. These will be for the 180 turnaround that leads you back towards Justice League, and the mid-course brake run. They are situated in the general spot where Teen Titans Pizza used to be. Behind that, they still need to add supports that will lead into the final brake run. Lots to look forward to this week, and we can't wait to see what kind of progress they make. Last week, the park unveiled more renderings of the area. The old Wonder Woman spinner off to the right will now be called Teen Titans Turbo Spin, featuring relatively the same exterior with a new paint job and 2D decals of the Teen Titan characters. The rest of the land from the archway was also shown off. The arch is a clone of what other Six Flags parks have been using for their upgraded DC Universe lands, and they got landscaping all around the entrance. What seems to be missing from these renderings is if they're going to put any trees in the middle of the land. So far, the renderings just show trees that are already there on the perimeter of the area. Hopefully they seriously consider middle of the land trees, or else we'll have another hot zone in the park. Anyways, these renderings are exciting news, and it's great that we finally have a name for the rethemed spinner. Moving on to the rest of the park update, looks like they're testing new paint on the faded supports for Crazanity. Probably just going to keep the same colors by the looks of it. Crazy how this ride is only 4 years old and the supports facing south where the sun shines are already fading. The Southern California sun can be brutal year-round on these rides. Over in the Screenpunk district, one of the nicest lands the park has renovated is showing peeling paint on the entry facade. Hopefully this gets addressed soon. And of course, we can't forget about the, what seems like forever closed, Lex Luthor Drop of Doom. Still no word on an opening for this ride, and just about every visit the gondolas are in a different position, so I guess that means some progress is being made on getting this thing back open. Not sure if it's still in refurbishment, or at this point there's a mechanical problem that they can't seem to get sorted out. Well, that's all for this update. Don't forget to like and comment your thoughts on the video down below, and hit the subscribe button for more updates to Wonder Woman Flight of Courage construction and other happenings at the park. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next update.